So guys, the first product is this Marvelous Mobs. This is eyeshadow. So this is the first product, and this is how it's look like. So pretty, I love it. And the second product is this Touch in Soul, and this is how it's look like. Very pretty. It's a moisturizer, face moisturizer. And third product is Steve Lauren highlighter, very pretty highlighter. So this is how it's look like, guys. So pretty. And next is this lip liner. I love this brand. This is awesome brand too. And the last one is this iconic London lipstick. Very pretty packaging, gold lid, and also that one. So yeah, very pretty lipstick. If you're new here, welcome and thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be doing my monthly subscription beauty box this month of October. So by the way, if you don't know guys, BOXYCHARM, it's only $21 every month. It's a monthly subscription beauty box. And yeah, so the first product that we're gonna try on, Touch in Soul. This is how it's look like, guys. Very pretty packaging, so nice. And when you open it, it's look like that. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute. And this is how it's look like. Pretty filler glassy skin balm. This is how it's look like, guys. So pretty. I love the packaging, very pretty. This is how it's look like. Rainbow, it's like glittery, shiny, whatever you call that. So pretty. I love the packaging. And let's open it. This is how it look like, guys. Oh, this is how it look like, guys. That very pretty, and it smells so good. So they have left a little bit on the lid, so I'm just gonna use this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this product on the lid. I'm so excited. Ooh, smells so good. So here you go, guys. So this is the product that we're gonna try on to our face. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it onto my face. Oh my god, it looks like my face is so shiny because it says glassy on the packaging. Done with the first product, so let's move on to the next one. So okay, let's move on to the next product that we're gonna try on to our face. This a pretty color eyeshadow. I love the packaging again. They are really pretty. It is really pretty packaging. The color and the details so pretty. And it's show on the back the colors of the eyeshadow. And let's open it, guys. I don't know how to do eyeshadow. I'm just gonna play with it again. And I love this brand. I have a couple things that I got from BOXYCHARM. This brand, Rose lipsticks. I think, I do believe I have a lipstick that the same brand of this eyeshadow. So again, very pretty color. And when you open it, ooh, let's take up the clear plastic. Oh my god, the color is so pretty, very pretty. And then, which is good, it comes with a brush, double-sided brush. They have on the bottom and the other side, and also the other side too, guys. Double-sided brush, pretty. And also the color is very pretty. It has wine stain, space out, wishy-washy, rose, and fluffy. So those are the colors that it comes with this eyeshadow. So once again, I don't know how to do eyeshadow. I'm just gonna play with it and apply it to my eyelid. So I don't know which one is I'm gonna try. Ooh, I'm going to try this color onto my eyelid. So right, guys, let's go and start doing our eyeshadow. So I don't know how to apply these, so I'm gonna use this color, and that's, oh, so pigmented. I'm too scared to put it on my eyelid. We'll see. And let's start applying it to my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go ahead and start to apply it to my eyelid. Oh, I don't know, I have mirror, so hold on. Very pretty color. Okay, I'm done with my other side of my eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is so pretty, very pigmented, and then all the colors is very pretty, and also the brush, so soft. It's easy to apply, it's easy to use into the eyeshadow, and yeah, I love it already. So let's move on my left eyeshadow. Once again, I'm gonna use this and apply it to my eyelid. So pretty, I love it. So that's it for my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelid. It doesn't matter, I don't know how to do eyeshadow, so that's good enough. And yeah, so next product, yay, lipstick. So this brand is very good product. I have eyebrow gel, same brand of this. They are very good, and I love those eyebrows that I got from my monthly subscription beauty box. Like, I don't remember what month, but same brand of this. This is Iconic London. Not sure, is it liquid lipstick or matte lipstick? So this is the product that we're gonna try on next for our lips, and yeah, pretty color. I love the packaging. Very pretty color of the lipstick. It's a like nude color, like I don't know how to like light pink or something. So let's try, guys. Let's open it. Oh, the color is like light color, so we'll see. Oh my god, the color is so, you cannot even barely see it. What? I don't even like it. But anyways, that's the color, guys. Very glossy, shiny. So yeah, that's the color of the lipstick. Ang kintab niya. So this is the lipstick. So we still have one product that we're gonna try on. This brand is awesome too. I do have same lip liner, this brand that I got from my monthly subscription beauty box. So let's go ahead and put it into our lips. This is how it looks like, guys. I don't know if you can see the color like that. The color is like that. So let's put it onto. Ganda. I like the color. Pretty. So I'm just gonna say about the products that I got for this month for my monthly subscription beauty box. The eyeshadow, I love it. Very pretty packaging, and all the colors is so pretty, and also they're like matte look eyeshadow. So I love this eyeshadow. So the second product in this one, guys, this is like a moisturizer for your face. This is so pretty. I noticed that when I apply it on my face, it's kind of like look like a glossy skin. And also I love the smell. It has a good smell, very good smell, not too strong smell, kind of just light smell on it. So I love this one. And also this, I don't know if I'm gonna use it. This is like not for me. I don't like the color, how it's look like very glossy and shiny onto my lips, and very light color too. So but anyways, this is a pretty packaging though. I love the packaging, very pretty. And last thing is this lip liner. I love the lip liner. It's like the color is really natural. It's kind of like matches into your lip color, matches in your skin tone. So I love this one. Oh, I forgot one product, guys, that I didn't try. This highlighter, pretty highlighter. So anyways, I'm not fan of highlighter, but this is how it's look like, the highlighter. And when you open it, probably I'm gonna give it to one of my friends because she loves highlighter. So yeah, that's the color, very color of highlighter, and very cute packaging too. It's in the back. But yeah, so I got 5 products for this month, and they're all pretty product. And yeah, so guys, that's it for my monthly subscription beauty box try on. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Goodbye.